Hello traders, welcome to your Follow the Bots S&P 500 Daily Market Recap, sponsored by Zaner. Since 1980, Zaner has been helping futures, commodity, and forex traders trade smarter, faster, and easier.
Hello traders, Bill Duryea here with Follow the Bots. Welcome to the Daily Market Recap, a detailed review of the market structure and the key support and resistance levels in the S&P 500 E-mini. Today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2013. At the open of Sunday's Globex session, S&P futures gapped below Friday's close and sold down below Friday's low. During the recent rally to the multi-year high at 1727, there had developed a support cluster down at 1671. The sell-off initially paused there, but at Monday's open, the range extended down to 1666. The sell-off down to 1666 was met with a buy response. Informed market participants took advantage of the decline to accumulate positions at a relative discount to Friday's close. Having held support at 1666, 1670, S&P futures traded back up to Friday's low. Midday, there was a modest pullback down to 1671, but the S&P auctioned back up to the high into the close. Overnight, the S&P traded above Monday's high, but fell short of filling the gap at 1685. There was a minor pullback back down at or near where the market had closed on Monday. The pullback was met with buying interest. S&P futures rallied above the overnight high, filled the gap at Friday's close, and traded up to 1690. The purpose of recapping the market development is not simply to reiterate what has occurred in the past. The purpose is to develop a mathematical model of the market development. A mathematical model is a method used to describe a dynamic system like a price series. Mathematical models help to explain dynamic systems, and they allow you to study the effects of the different components and to make predictions about behaviors. In this graphic, you can see some of the mathematical formulas that are behind the algorithms that we have developed at Follow the Bots. For example, when you look at the 5-tick range chart that we use to model the intraday market development, you can see overlaid on the price structure is a polynomial regression channel. Along with the polynomial regression channel, we have two major algorithms that we use to plot the market direction. The longer-term algorithm is called the Kalman digital filter, and the shorter-term algorithms are Gaussian regression filters. Along with these algorithms that plot the price direction, we have developed specific algorithms to read the micro order flow. In this example, late in the afternoon on Tuesday, when the S&P sold off from the high at 1691, the sell-off paused at the lower band of the polynomial regression channel. During the pullback, our micro order flow algorithms detected that sell programs no longer were executing to the sell side. Following the alerts that the sell programs were no longer dominating the auction, the digital filters turned up and high frequency initiated buying entered the market as the Gaussian filter turned above the Kalman filter. The result of the initiated buying was that the S&P auctioned above the low at 1683 and traded back up to the earlier high at 1690, located at the upper band of the polynomial regression channel. This is just one of many numerous examples of the mathematical modeling techniques developed by Follow the Bots. Coming into Wednesday's session, key support is located down at Tuesday's low, 1675. Minor support is located at or near 1682. 1682 corresponds with the lower edge of the trade cluster that developed on Friday. It was also at or near the ideal long locations that developed last week, and it also corresponds to the overnight high that developed in today's session. The market has now auctioned back up into last week's trading range, and resistance is located up at or near 1698 and 1700. That concludes our daily market recap for this Tuesday, October 1st. If you'd like to follow our real-time commentary, we invite you to visit us online at www.followthebots.com. Log on and join us some morning at the open.
For more information regarding Zayner's brokerage services or the content of this broadcast, contact Neil Rogers, nrogers@zayner.com, 312-277-0135. This is Cuerva from Follow the Bots. Happy trading.